Hurricane Who? New versions made by Wintao. There are two main contents in my presentation. 1. What is hurricane? 2. Hurricane's names. 1. What is hurricane? Tropical cyclone is called typhoon in Asia and hurricane in North and South America. So, hurricane is tropical cyclone. There are some informations about hurricane. These storms go around like wheels turning to the left when they hit in the northern part of the world. They have wind speeds for 600 kilometers per hour or more. Tropical Prediction Center is in Miami, Florida, United States. It keeps an eye out for hurricane. 2. Hurricane names. When meteorologists detect a hurricane, they give it a name. It can be male or female name. Why should hurricanes have names? It makes it easier for people to keep up information about the hurricane and its possible dangers. The hurricane names list is decided by World Meteorological Organization (WMO) and an international weather group. The names in names list begin with different letters of English alphabet. They don't include the names begin with letters Q, U, X, Y, Z because there are not many names start with these letters. In names list of a year, the first hurricane gets the first name, the second hurricane gets the next name. In Asia, countries use different names lists, what made up by WMO's Typhoon Committee. Few names are personal names, but most of all are flowers, animals, trees, and other similar things. For example, the first hurricane in a year named Abel. The next hurricane might name Betty. There are many amazing informations about hurricanes. Thanks for listening.